Hi friends, this is Shahreen. Today in this lesson we are going to learn the usage of have, has and had. First we will learn the basic thing, that is what is subject. The subject of a sentence is the name of a person or thing which is doing the action or being described. It means the subject is the name of a person or thing which is performing the action or we are describing about. In English, in place of subject, we will be using I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Okay? Among these, I, you, he, she, it are singular and we, they are plurals. Yes, now in this slide we will learn the usage of have and has. Okay, the has we will be using for singular. For singular we will be using has, and for plural we will be using have. But here there is an exceptional case, that is I and you are singular. Even though for both of these we will be using have, even though they are singular, but for both of these we will be using have. Okay, it's an exceptional case. Please do remember, it's very important. I and you are singular even though we will be using have. Okay, example sentence: I have a pen. You have a big car. Okay, we will say that, do you have a pen? And we will say we have a pet. They have a big bungalow. Okay, yes, for have we will be using I, you, we, they, and has he, she, it or any name. She has a pet. He has a car. Rahul has lots of money. Okay, yes, according to the subject you can use have and has. Here there are some example sentences for better understanding. Example 1. He has 5 books. He is a singular, so we are using has. She has a remote car. He has lots of money. She has a brother. All these are he and she are singular, so we are using here has. My headache has gone. My headache means I am talking about myself, so single person we are using has. This house has 11 rooms. I am showing a particular home and telling that this house has 11 rooms. Okay, my grandmother has become old. My grandmother, she is a single person, so we are using has. It has been 10 years since I left Japan. Okay, yes, it has cooled off. Ken has more books than you. Ken is a single person, so we are using has. Mary has a flower in her hand. Okay, Mary is a single person, so we are using has. Here there are some of the example sentences for have. I have a beautiful dress. Here there is an exceptional case, that is I is a singular even though we are using have. I have 5,000 rupees. Okay, you have lots of ideas in your brain. You is also an exceptional case. It is a singular even though we are using have. You have very pretty eyes. We have 5 children. We is a plural, so we are using have. We have a pet. We is a plural, so here we are using have. They have a library. They is a plural, so we are using have. They have told me nothing. They have a bungalow. Okay? Yes. With this we have completed the example sentences for both has as well as have. Now we will learn had, usage of had. Usage of had is very easy. Why? Because for all the subjects in past tense we will be using had. We use had for the past tense. Yes, you can see here for all the subjects, that is I, you, we, they, he, she, it or any name, in the past tense we will be using had. In this slide there are some of the example sentences using had. Alex had provided the money to remodel the home. It means he already provided the money to remodel the home. Means here the sentence is speaking about the past activity. So we are using here had. I had my breakfast. Means I have completed my breakfast. Talking about past thing. So we are using here had. The little boy saw what a mistake he made. It means the little boy recognized what mistake he made. He is talking about the past activity. So we are using had. Rahul had a cough for some days. It means he suffered with cough in the past days. So we are using here had. They had prior gardening experience. It means he is having some gardening experience. Prior means previously he is having some garden experience. So we are using had. Thank you for watching the video, friends. In next lesson we will be learning some new concepts. Please do subscribe for further updates.